Hello everyone. So let's start with a new lesson of Herbartian approach in teaching of teaching of English. So let's start. Our lesson name is the Kashmiri shawl. So our first point is teaching aids. In this, as you know, there are two journal aids, that is journal aid and specific aid. So in journal aid we have basic elements like chalk, duster, whitener, blackboard, rolling board, etc. In second point, that is specific aid, we have model, flashcard, charts. So these are our specific objective. Now our second point is objectives. As you all know that in Herbartian approach we have two kind of objectives, that is general objective and a specific objective. So let's start with our general objectives. The general objectives, the first general objective is the learner will be able to develop the understanding of new words. The second is to enable the learner to develop the linguistic skills. The third one is the learner will be able to develop vocabulary. The fourth one is the learner will be able to apply the acquired knowledge in the real life situation. Now next, the specific objective. The learner will be able to know about the behavior of the author and the story, the Kashmiri shawl. So next part is the preparation part. As you all know, in first preparation part we have to ask some few questions to the students to check their previous knowledge. So there are some four previous knowledge testing questions, that is, in which country do we live? India. Expected answer. Name the region where we grow large number of apples and fruits. The region name, the answer is cold region. You student may say Uttarakhand, Kashmir or Himachal. They will answer the name of the regions also. The third question is name the cold place of India from where we get large number of apples and dry fruits. Kashmir, or you can say that we found Kesar. So apples and dry fruits are not the correct one because it's not a good one. It is correlating with the third question. The fourth one is which type of woolen clothes are famous in Kashmir? May or may not be answered. So its answer is the Farran. So by giving the last answer of the question, pupil teacher will announce the topic, that is the Kashmiri shawl, and also write it on the board. After that, the presentation part, and the presentation part is divided into three equal parts, that is pupil teacher activity, student activity and AV aids. So firstly we will explain the background of the story, that is it is written by Professor Muhammad Aslam. The author want to understand and famous shawls of Kashmir. In the student part you have to write that students keenly listen to the pupil teacher, use of chart while explaining the background. The second one is model reading. So simply using with the help of book you can read the lesson and students are listening carefully. In third part, that is individual reading, pupil teacher may ask students to read one by one, and this teacher will listen it carefully and get prepared for the students proper pronunciation, proper toning of the students. So teacher will help students to make their pronunciation good. After that, there is pronunciation drill. So in pronunciation drill, the teacher will ask students to say loudly about the new words that they have learned in this chapter. And the next one is the meaning of new words. So in this you have to ask 2 or 3 new words, and then you will, with the help of flashcards, students have to write the things. Here is a drawing of Kashmiri shawl, and then the sentence framing, and the first sentence will be made by the teacher, and after that he or she will ask 2 to 3 students to come forward and make some sentences on the related word. And the end we will use the grammar part. So people teacher will apply the opposite words that is related to the lesson. So with the help of an activity, people teacher asks students about the grammar portion that is related to the lesson. After that, there is recapitulation part, very important part. To find the understanding of the students, people teacher will ask few questions to the students. So this is the very genuine questions, and the answer is in 1 or 2 words. Who is the author of the story? What is the message writer try to convey to you? So which is known as the paradise of the earth, which place? So these are the only 2 to 3 points questions. After that, there is application parts, and this in application part you can apply, fill in the blanks and all. This is how there is a second drawing made by the student. So there is the fill in the blanks, true, false, and MCQs given by the pupil teacher to the students, and after that there is homework part. So this is how you have to write the lesson plan of teaching of English related to Herbartian approach. If there is any query related to the lesson plan, you can message me. Thank you.